Okay, on this one, they give us some tricky stuff here, and they're saying they want to know what A and B are. Well, basically, here's the deal. You want to get the numbers to make an integral happen. You want to get this, I'll put a star here, of whatever plus this and a b, and that'll just be the integral from a to b. That's the principle we're looking. If you go a to anything, and from that thing to b, you've really gone from a to b. That makes sense. Let me show you on a number line. Just think about a number line for a second. If you're going from a to whatever, let's just call it star, and then b. So if you're going, think about what that means. If you're saying, I'm going from A to star, so I'm going from A to star, then from star to B, then star to B. So in the end, we really went from A to B, A to B, right? That's what we have to do. So we have to make that happen. Well, what you can do, what you can do is you can reverse these. Why? Because see how we have the six here. Oh no, we don't need to reverse it. Wait a minute, hold on. See how we've already got that this and this already match, just like the star and the star already match. So in other words, if you go, let me just draw another number line. If you're going from -8 to +6, and then from +6 to +8, that's what they're doing, right? They go from -8 to +6, first leg of the journey, then from +6 to +8, second leg of the journey. So really what they do, they went from -8 all the way to +8. So these two together, just these first two, is the integral from, I didn't draw that integral very well, is the integral from -8 to +8 of f of x dx. Okay, that's these first two put together because these numbers match. Minus, okay, let me bring down the next part, the integral from -8 to -1 of f of x dx. Okay. Now, again, we want to get a match, don't we? Yeah. So we want one of them on the top and the other one on the bottom. So we have these -8s. He's on the bottom here, but here he's also on the bottom. So if we flip this around, if we go, oh, okay, let's make that -8. Let's keep this one as it is. And this negative, we reverse it to positive. Whenever you reverse the sign in the front, you reverse the integral. So it'd be -1 to -8 of f of x dx. See how they match now? We've got um, this here and this here. So what's that going to mean? Well, just let me draw you another number line. Just think about what that means on the number line. Great. Okay. So we're going from -8 to +8, -8 to +8, and then from -1 to -8. Um, so we go like this, and then from -1 to -8. So what's the overall journey? It's between -1 and +8. You see that? It's the integral from -1 to +8 of f of x dx. It's probably easier if you think about, let me see if I can say one thing to help a little bit. Maybe it might be easier if you put this guy first. -1 to -8 of f of x dx plus, and then this guy over here. -8 to +8 of f of x dx. See how this matches this? So we're going from -1 to -8, and then from that -8 to +8. So really we're going -1 to +8, -1 to +8. And so that's it. They asked us to figure out what it is. They said, it's from where to where. And when all is said and done, it's from -1 to +8. It's from -1 to +8, which is the answers we got. So you just got to manipulate those around until they match. And there we go.